In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit checkout page on Woocommerce 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where your checkout page is configured in WordPress and how to open it in Elementor for visual editing, so you can tailor the experience to your brand and your customers' needs. First, open your WordPress website and head into the dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Woocommerce. This is where all your store settings live. From there, click Settings. You'll land on the General Store Settings, but we want the area that controls your key system pages, including the checkout. Click the Advanced tab at the top. Here, you'll see a section that maps your core WooCommerce pages. Look for Checkout Page. This drop-down tells WooCommerce which page acts as your checkout. Make sure it's set correctly. If you renamed your checkout page or imported a theme demo, it may have changed, so select the proper page from the list. Confirm that this page isn't in the trash and isn't set to draft. If you make any adjustments, remember to save changes so WooCommerce knows which page to use. Once the checkout page is correctly assigned, you're ready to edit it visually. You can now edit using Elementor. Open the checkout page and choose Edit with Elementor. If you don't see that option, ensure the page is not using a template that locks editing and that Elementor is active for pages on your site. Inside Elementor, you'll see the checkout content as a widget or block provided by Woocommerce or your theme. Keep the functional checkout widget intact. That's what handles cart totals, billing and shipping fields, and the payment area. What you can safely edit around it includes the page layout, headers or footers, spacing, background colors, typography, and any trust badges or notes you want to add above or below the checkout form. Small design tweaks can improve clarity without disrupting how the form works. As you design, use the responsive controls to check tablet and mobile views, since many customers purchase on smaller screens. Keep the layout clean and focused. Less distraction here usually leads to better conversions. When you're happy, click Update to save your changes, then preview the page in a private window or test with a dummy product to make sure the flow from cart to checkout works smoothly. That's it. You confirmed the correct checkout page under WooCommerce settings, and you edited its appearance in Elementor without touching the core checkout logic. If anything looks off, revisit the Advanced tab to verify the page mapping, then refine your Elementor styling until everything feels cohesive and clear.